really you want to speak English and you have time to practice yourself. You just try to understand yourself first of all that how you can become fluent in this speaker. So first of all, you just think that how much effort you need to do every single day that you can become fluent in this speaker. So you do not think too much about your mistakes. First of all, you just live here. I'm telling you that if really you want to speak English, what you should do that you can become fluent English speaker. What is the things that you practice too much but you do not get good result according to your practice? How you should practice every single day that it will be beneficial for you. So if you are a beginner and you don't know how to start your journey, how to start speaking practice, so definitely this video will be beneficial for you. And if you know good things, good point, good tips, definitely you should watch the video till the end. So without any delay, I just want to tell you that if you want to speak English, this is my experience, my friends, that what you should do that really it will be beneficial for you. You just make plan that how much practice I need to do every single day that I can become fluent in this speaker. So definitely it will be very beneficial for you if you want to practice every single day. If you 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, if you absent to speak English and really you do not get time to practice 1 day, 2 days, it will never be mind. But if you make habit that only 3 days you will work here and 4 days you do not want to work, it will not good for you. You do not do like this. You just think about your effort, my friends, that how much effort you need to do every single day, that it will be beneficial for you. I know very well that I do not know how to speak English perfectly and confidently. Instead, I just try to practice every single day how much effort I can do and how much effort I am doing every single day. I know very well about this matter. So, what do you want to say? You just practice yourself or